What's up? Is your girl Danielle. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made these collagen gummies. Stay watching and I will be right back.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Guys, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos just like this one. And this video is going to be a great one. I'm always on the lookout for new collagen things. Upon the unflavored gelatin. Now the brand I'm using is Great Lakes, and I'm going to be using this in order to make my collagen gummies. Are you ready? Let's get started, y'all. All right, the first thing I'm gonna need is a cup of 100% juice. And I wanted to go with something different. This is mango passion fruit. And I just wanted something different, you know? So 1 cup is what I'm gonna be working with. The mold that I'm working with is not very big. So for this recipe, I'm only gonna be working with 1 cup of 100% juice. So I have my 1 cup. Now what I'm gonna have to do in order to make these gummies is I'm gonna take a 1/4 cup of the juice. And let's see, yeah, that's a 1/4 cup. Now I'm going to let this gelatin and the juice combination sit here for about 3 to 5 minutes. And now that my juice has already gotten warm in the pot, and that's it. I can see that I overfilled it a tad bit too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the refrigerator. I don't think it's still fully set. I think I could have used another 30 minutes or so, but I'm so anxious, I'm just gonna pop it right now. Let's go for one. Oh, look at that. Tell you, in my opinion, this is the simplest way. I'm gonna pop another one. This is the simplest and easiest way to, get your collagen in. You can have one a day as you would do any gummies, and it's loaded with a little bit of collagen inside, and it's yummy. It's good. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and keep the comments coming, keep the questions coming, and remember, if you're planning on making this, I would say pop it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours minimum. To share this video with a friend or 2, and remember, y'all, life is totally what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah. Until next time, ciao. Mwah.